Welcome back to LTS Academy. In the previous video, we have showed you how to activate a NVR. Today, we will show you how to connect an IP camera to the NVR. Before we get started, you should know that the whole setup process we are talking about in this video is based on the LTS IP camera and NVR. We will teach you how to add your IP camera to the external PoE switch in the next video. First, let's unbox and check out the camera. You will see a drill template, a toolkit, an instruction manual, a pack of screws, a waterproof connector cap cover, and a nice IP camera. Prepare a Cat5 or Cat6 cable. Plug the Cat5 or Cat6 cable into the camera cable socket. Plug the other end of the cable into the built-in PoE port. When the lights come on, it means that the connection is successful. Now, you can view the camera videos in your monitor. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for the next episode.